guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be unboxing my iPhone 12. I've been waiting for this baby like all week. So just a little background, I am upgrading from an 11, and I know my iPhone 11 is perfectly fine, but my parents decided to switch carriers, so they decided to trade in the phones that we had from my other carriers, so we get like money off on our new phones with our new carrier. You know what I mean? I'm so excited. I don't know how to act. This is gonna be my first YouTube video, so if you want to like, you can comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, but I'm pretty sure you guys are here for the unboxing video. I literally watched thousands of these, but here she is. I just got the base model. I do have a couple of accessories as well, but let's go ahead and unbox her. Let's go ahead and open this satisfying part. I've unboxed my dad's, which is like a beautiful color, as well as my mom's, so this one's my own. Okay, I'm not nervous. In the name of Jesus, amen. Okay, here we go. So this is what she looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys know what they look like. Now, my iPhone 11, I did get in the color red, which I got literally over that color within like 3 months. So I had been wanting to get a new phone, but I just ended up upgrading. And so I got a basic color, which is why white is like a really meaningful color to me. Earlier this year of 2021, a woman of God told me that she saw me in the color white, and ever since then I just love the color white, and I love pink, so pink and white are like my two favorite colors. So I also got some accessories, so we're gonna show you guys, but I hope I do not. I'm gonna literally treasure this phone. This phone is such a blessing, because my iPhone 11, I just feel like it got hijacked. So many reasons, but we're not gonna get into it. But here's what she looks like. She's so beautiful. So we're gonna get on to what's inside the box. So here's the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Y'all see the tab. Tab is there for a reason. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaking. Oh, it has the white. I forgot it has the white, but this is, we're gonna set her aside for now. In the box, I'm pretty sure y'all know it comes with like the little pamphlet, and then the little SIM card ejector, and then also one Apple sticker. And then we also get a USB-C lightning cable. I got blessed, and I was able to find a USB-C at Marshall's for $12.99. I really don't care if it's off-brand or anything, if it's fake. It looks pretty decent to me. It looks legit. Let's go ahead and open her up. It's just the box. I'm kind of excited. My AirPod Pros came with like the USB-C charger, but I hadn't been able to use it because I haven't had these boxes yet. So here's what she looks like. I actually like these boxes a lot more better. This is new to me, but let's unbox this. That's it. It's gonna charge way faster than the other bricks too, but let's get on to the phone. Here's the phone, and here is this little flap. I do have a screen protector, so I'm gonna unpeel this and put the screen protector on, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you guys the case I got. So I got this case at Walmart. I honestly wasn't trying to go too expensive with my cases, so I got this pink silicone case from Walmart. It was only $9, y'all. Hopefully it lasts me long. So then from Target, I went ahead and picked up a pop socket, but it's this cute pink one. So now I'm gonna go ahead and unpeel this for you guys. So a little ASMR as well. It's so pretty. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put the screen protector on. See you guys in a sec. Okay, I'm back, you guys. I put the screen protector on. It was actually super easy. I've done this like bajillion times because I had to do my parents. But now it's time to put on the phone case. This is definitely a lot more smaller than my iPhone 11, I feel like. Not so much smaller. I just feel like it's a lot more easier to grab. I cleaned it. So now we're gonna place it in. I apologize for all the misplaced cuts and so many cuts in this video towards the end. This video was actually originally like 24 minutes long, and I just kept rambling a lot. Most of it was just me rambling, and I didn't want to waste you guys' time, so I just kind of chopped it up a lot. But I apologize. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's turning on, you guys. She's on. Here she is. I'm gonna go ahead and set this baby up, and I'll be right back. So now we're on express setting. Continue. Keep your phone up to date. Continue. I guess it's gonna update. Now it says welcome to your iPhone. It usually doesn't. I feel like the screen is so much bigger. I'm gonna unbox it. Shout out to Target, destroying it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, this is what she looks like. I put it lower, but I kind of like it because my phone is a lot more smaller, so not a lot more smaller. I'm gonna compare both of the iPhones. I'm using my iPhone 11 to film this right now, but I'll try and put in a clip to show you guys. So now I'm gonna have to go in and set up all my apps and stuff. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. This is my iPhone 11. This is my iPhone 12 in the color white, 64 gigs, basic model. If you guys would like me to film a what's on my iPhone, comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.